Hello, we are just going to go through hopefully a brief tutorial video on how to download your nutrition tracker to your mobile device or iPad. Now, I would highly recommend that you do this on a laptop or a computer just because the process is a lot more straightforward. What you'll need to do is simply load up the email, shall I say, and press onto the download your nutrition tracker here and save it to your device. Save it to your desktop, and then you can open that with any OpenOffice or Microsoft Excel. Now, if you want to do this on your mobile phone, which I appreciate some people will, there's just a few teething things that we need to resolve first and foremost. Now, the first one is installing an application called Dropbox. Okay, so it's this one that I'm wiggling around here. So we need to install Dropbox and create an account. It's completely free, so nothing to pay. And then same with the Microsoft Excel. Yeah, we need to go to the App Store and download Microsoft Excel. Once we have the Dropbox created and an account logged in, and same for the Microsoft Excel, we can go back to the email. We can press the download your nutrition tracker and save it to your device. This is going to load up whichever browser that you use. In my instance, it's Google, but yours might be Safari or something similar. We're then presented with two options, get the app or continue to website. We're going to press continue to website. Now, obviously, again, don't worry, it says, the file can't be previewed or anything like that. What we're going to do is in the top right-hand corner, you can see three little dots. We're going to press these three little dots and potentially three options may appear. In this instance, it's two because I'm already I'm already logged in, should I say, to my Dropbox account. So it might say direct download, save to my Dropbox, and log in. Now, if you're doing this on a laptop or a computer, you can, like I said, just press direct download, save it straight away, not a problem. However, if you're using a mobile device, if you press direct download, it will just present itself on the screen, but you won't be able to edit it and you won't be able to go back to it. So we need to save it to our Dropbox. So if we press save to my Dropbox, you'll be presented with this. It's just a confirmation to say this is going to be saved to your Dropbox, and then you can access it all the time. Now, once you press saved, it will save it to your Dropbox. In this instance, I already have the file in my Dropbox, hence why it says you can't add files to your own Dropbox, but yours will be saved. Once that has done, you can literally close that. What you need to do is you need to head over to your Excel app now. So if we press the Excel app, just cancelling that because it's just trying to automatically load something up there. And we go to open on the bottom right hand corner. You can see obviously Dropbox is at the top now. Dropbox is only at the top for me because I've already edited it. So what you need to do is you need to go to add a place, and you can see a series of different applications. Find Dropbox, add it. It might ask you to sign in, and then it will just seamlessly sync with your Dropbox, which has your nutrition tracker installed. Once that's synced, it will appear at the top here. Press that, and it will upload all the folders within your Dropbox. Now, obviously, this is my personal Dropbox, so obviously mine is going to look a little bit different to yours. You'll likely find your nutrition tracker on the first page. If we press 2018, this is for me, should I say, sorry. So I'm just navigating towards where I've saved my nutrition tracker, which is here. So you can see the LBF nutrition tracker. We're going to press that, let that load. Zoom out a little bit, and you can see I've got the full edited version or full available edit version of the nutrition tracker. If I want to change tabs in the bottom left-hand corner, if I press that, it uploads the adjustment tool or the nutrition tracker, depending on what you need. If you've got this on an iPad, obviously it's going to be a little bit more accessible. I've only got an iPhone 6, so my screen view is fairly small. But like I said, you can always zoom in or zoom out. What I'm going to do, just literally start off from where I need to. So I would have read the guide, I would know what I'm doing. If I press the cell that says enter the weight, you can see this blank top left-hand screen appears with the flashing typing button. I'm going to type in my weight, 79.7. I'm going to hit the green tick, and you can see that straight away Excel has started to do its job, and my calorie range is 1980 to 2420. and so on and so forth. And you'd either fill this on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, whatever works for you. You can always refer back to it. Before you close it on the first time though, you'll notice that there's again 3 dots in the top right hand corner. Press this and you can see it says autosave. Yeah, make sure that that autosave is on. Okay, it's very important because that's going to save all your information. Once that's on, we can press the back button, which is the top left hand arrow, just to take us to the main screen, and then we can close that. Now at any time, say it's the following day, we want to go back into our nutrition tracker, we can load up our Excel. We can go onto recent and you'll see downloaded and then the time I edited, which was 1532, which is correct. And if I load this up, my weight should still be there. Excellent. So you can see that my weight that I inputted in the last time before closing it is there. And again, if I made any changes, it would save it again. And I don't have to worry about saving it because it will automatically save. That's the tutorial video. Like I said, just a few teasing problems, but to summarize, if we're using it on the mobile iPad device, we need to install Dropbox, create an account, sign in, and we need to install Microsoft Excel, sync our Microsoft Excel with our Dropbox, so then we can seamlessly open up our nutrition tracker, which has been downloaded to our Dropbox, but via the Excel app.